Hi, Kara Sheftel from BDS. One of the questions I'm often asked is, Kara, should I buy those wipes that are designed to clean printers? And the answer is no. All of our technicians at BDS, we don't use those in particular. Some of those have oils in them and emollients that aren't great for your printers. You also don't want something super damp going on certain components, and so we actually use different cleaning materials depending on what we're doing. So we're not using alcohol on rubber-based rollers because that'll dry it out. So you might need something that has like a little bit more emollient in it. But if you were to put that on your screen, then it would leave streaks and maybe affect how your interface accepts touches. So we don't typically use those because we're using the right solvents for the right pieces. If you do require service on your device, you can always reach us at bdsdoc.com to set up a contract with us, or you can like and follow this channel for more information.